We live in very strong, demanding, and exciting times on our planet. And many people are asking very deep questions. And Path of Love, more than any other process I know, addresses these very deep and very real questions. The actual work in Path of Love covers the whole range of human issues and problems: psychological, physical, spiritual, individual, family, relationships particularly. Path of Love brings all that to light in a way that people are totally authentic, and they connect with each other. They connect with those real places that everyone recognizes as true. As soon as someone speaks the truth and is authentic, we all know that. We feel through all the masks and all the pretenses. And Path of Love does that directly, straight to the truth, straight to that longing to be part of this earth, to belong. It's a place of deep connection with themselves, with each other, and with the issues that are facing us all today.